What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Ash back at you with another video, man. So today, we over here at my boy Quan house. You know what I'm saying? Shit. We got my boy Zay Tovin car out here. We about to put a wikerbill on, man. So, as you can see, he got that 2019, 2020 slash whatever the fuck, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? So, today, we got the PS Design wikerbill. That's the two-piece, the one with the black, and then he got the clear glass in the middle. We're gonna be installing that today on his car. So as you can see, we already went ahead and taped this bitch up one time. So that way, you know what I mean, we could get our markings in and drill the holes. It's about, I don't even remember how much holes it is. Shit, a lot. Goddamn. But then, let's see. We got the hard one up here. Shit. Let's see how many holes they got. They got 5, 6, 7, 8 holes. So we're gonna drill 8 holes. All you gotta do is get a bit almost the size of the goddamn shit, you know what I'm saying? It's right there, so shit, it's gonna be right on point. Then after that, you gotta like basically wind the rivets out to where like they can't come back out. And then you use the screw getter washer. Shit, normally we paint these, but shit, we're gonna put them on like this for today. But put the washer, screw it in, and then boom, yeah. So definitely that. We're gonna get it out the box, and then we're gonna goddamn click this camera back on in a minute, all right? And we back, man. So we already taped it up. We got the holes drawn on there. As you can see, all of them lined up the same. You know what I'm saying? So boom. So now comes the bad part, which is busting these holes. So we're gonna drill each hole one at a time, make sure the rivet go in and fit. I think I'm really gonna start with a smaller bit just to be on the safe side. The one down from this one. Pays to have multiple bits when you're doing this, I'll tell you that. Let's see. Boom. Nah, we just gonna go with that one, send it with that one. Fuck it. So yeah, the other one is a lot bit smaller. So we're gonna just send it with this one. So boom, we're gonna do the first one on the corner. Got down, take your time, you ain't in no rush. That. It's a lot messy, so shit, you're gonna be having white shit on you all day till you get done. And just smoothing it out. Put the rivet in there. Get the rivet tool. So with the rivet tool, you really need 2 tools. You need, I forgot what size there is, but one is a wrench, one is a socket, and you need a ratchet. So we're gonna go inside, get them tools, and then come right back. So boom, we got the socket, we got the wrench, we got the ratchet. So now it's like basically you about to tighten this so tight that it spreads out behind the spoiler itself. Oh, and quick tip. When you're drilling this hole, make sure you don't put too much pressure and bust out the back of that, because then you need a new spoiler. It ain't no coming back after that. So make sure you take your time and you do what you're doing the right way. So boom, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put it in, get the wrench. We're gonna close the trunk for this too. Boom, got down. There you go. So you get the 13, you hold that, make sure you're sitting it firm on top of it, and then you just start tightening. And you just tighten till it get real tight, and then it don't want to go no more. Wiggle it, make sure that it ain't moving. And then you just go back on it. Just try and make sure. Turn it the other way and back it off. Yes, sir. There she go. Beep. Hey, drop the screw. Ain't that some shit? Let's see where it go. Down in the socket. All right, well, we got that. So boom. Put them washers back on. Put that back on there. And then boom, we ready for the next hole. So you put them to the side. Make sure them things stay on there. Okay, you lose them there, bitch, to find. Pop the trunk. And yeah, you just go from there. Take your time. Like I said, there ain't no rush. One hole at a time. That's all I'm gonna do. Let's see. Yeah. Like I said, this shit gonna get real messy. So you clean that shit up afterward. But like I said, you ain't gotta put too much force. It's gonna go in by itself. And we right there where it's gonna go in so you can see how it look. So boom, we're gonna send it on through. That's it right there, boom. You get one of those rivets. If it's tight, that ain't bad. That's a good thing. That means you still got a little bit more working to do. You gotta take your time though, cause boy, come here. One wrong move, cost you your ass. You have to buy a brand new spoiler. And especially if you're doing it for somebody, shit me. You don't want to do that. So boom, we got that. Move on to the next one. Take your time. Line up the hole. Yeah, about to go in there. Yep. Let's just line this thing up one more time with us. Wikerbill it. Just check the holes real quick. Let's see. This one is right there. That one is right there. Right there. Alright, so yeah, they all line up. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just drill all the holes, boom, boom, boom. And then we're gonna show you how it looks in the end result. So we'll click this camera back on when it's time. Boom, man. And yes, sir, here we is with the final product, man. As you can see, all the rivets are in. Wikerbill is sitting flush. No problems whatsoever with the install. Smooth transaction. And yeah, as you can see, flawless. So yeah, if you live in the Atlanta area, man, and you need some work, definitely hit me on the gram at Ash Customs 44. As you can see, quality work for good price. And hey, I mean, you will never come back complaining about nothing that I put on your car or anything like that. But yeah, as you can see, little time, little effort, and boom, we're done. The install took about every bit of 15 minutes because I know what I'm doing. Now, for those who just starting, like I said, put some tape, put the wicker bill up to it, draw some little circles in the holes, so that way when you drill the holes, everything could be lined up and in unison. As you can see, this ain't going nowhere. When he doing 100 on the street, 120 on the street, it ain't going nowhere. So after you drill your holes, you push your rivets in, use a rivet tool, spread the rivets out, so that way you can have that secure fit. Make sure you go till it's real tight. Don't go till it get a little snug, but you can still turn it. Go till you can't turn it no more. After you get there, stop, because if you overdo it, you'll bust a hole and then boom, you shot. So boom, after that, you just put them up. Don't forget to put the centerpiece on before you put these 4 on, cause then you'll be looking crazy. You gotta take it all the way back out. So boom, put the centerpiece and keep that thing, put them rivets in with a little Allen key head, and you good to go. So yeah, as I said, man, in every video, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, so that way we could get these views going up. And I got a lot more content coming for you guys real soon, man. I got my boy Zay behind the camera. This is Zay car. Zay got this beautiful car, man. So yeah, so stay tuned. I got more content coming, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.